Hi, I'm Jacob Phillips. I'm from Gainesville, Georgia. This is a 2016 389. It used to be a log truck out in Mississippi. My father-in-law and I went out to Texas and looked at getting it. And we got the truck and completely done a makeover on it.
Nice.
And got it all shined up for mine and my wife's wedding. That's what we left our wedding in. And I used to work at the power company in my hometown, and the hauling stuff got bigger and bigger, so I left there, and now I keep this truck on the road. I haul steel trusses all the time,
Okay.
all over the eastern half of America. I've been in it full time since September of 21. It's been doing great.
Yeah. Seen a lot of fuel increases since then, right?
Oh yeah. Just pass it on down the line. It had the 5 cab lights and 4 horns up on the roof. We shaved them off, repainted the top, changed the visor, and put the lights up in the top. The breathers were all beat up from tree limbs, so both of those are new. Put them 8-inch pipes on it. Put them Pride and Class front fenders on it. They were the painted gray ones. They were busted up. Changed the bumper, lowered the front end down a little bit, put 6 new wheels on the outside, new tanks, and all the smooth skins on the step boxes, and pretty intense buff job to get all the scratches out. And an entire new grill. It had a bug guard screwed in it, so that's a whole new shell. Oh, and we put those T-bars and the full fenders on the back. Took all the dash panels out, painted them gray like the truck.
Good.
All the rockwood switches and every piece of chrome I could find, I guess. It's got a Pride and Class steering wheel. Put the cowhide floor in it. That's something pretty rare. Got 2 Bostrom wide ride seats.
And this is the sleeper that was on it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's got a brand new oil pan because the old oil pan had a big dent in it. I guess they jumped stumps with it. It's tight. It drives perfect down the road. Got a brand new 5th wheel a week or 2 ago.
Cool.
The other one was slap wore out from logging.
Yeah.
I went to Matt's back in March, and
Right.
I didn't know my truck was quite capable of competing. I don't plan on winning anything. I just want to show it off, show other people what I've done. This October, I've got an appointment with Sutherland Bros Air and Fab to get air ride done on the front end. So I'll be scraping bumpers. That's my last to-do list.
Cool.
I'm sure it'll never be complete, but for right now, that's my finish line.